So guys, if all goes well, this will be the last start with my stock exhaust. Just received yesterday. Stainless work exhaust. Trying to see what it sounds like. So let's see if we can get anything here. It might not work with the door being open. Nope. Gotta close the door. Beauty and the pros and cons of an automatic door. It takes forever, but at least you could do it from anywhere. Let's try that again. So we'll see what it sounds like after with the stainless works.